Hey guys, it's Audrey. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be giving you an apartment tour. So let me just give you a little background story. I moved to Los Angeles in August of 2018, and for the first 8 months I was living in Santa Monica, and I love Santa Monica so much. But my lease was ending and I was trying to find a different place to live. At first I was set on staying in Santa Monica, but as I was touring apartments, I just couldn't really find anything that worked for me. The only places that were available were like outrageously expensive and just like a total ripoff. I would go in to tour an apartment and I would open the door and like the room was so small, my bed could barely even fit in there. It's like, this is just not gonna work for me. I have so much stuff. So I started to look in other places like Beverly Hills, West Hollywood, and Hollywood. So as I started touring apartments in West Hollywood, I found a few that I really liked. And I was like, I think it's time for a change. Like, even though I loved Santa Monica so much and living walking distance to the beach was like my dream come true, I just felt like I needed a change, and West Hollywood is such a fun city. It's great for going out and meeting people. It's a younger scene, and I already have a lot of friends that live in this area. So I don't know, I just felt like moving to West Hollywood was the right thing to do. Okay, so this is my apartment. It's a studio, and for a studio, this is like a really big size compared to all the other studios that I saw. This one was like the biggest one. So this is my living room. I got my couch and my rug at Living Spaces. I got these pillows and this coffee table at Target. Here's my collection of books and fashion magazines. Here's this book called She that I got from Kate Spade. It's basically just a picture book that talks about a lot of inspiring women throughout time, and it just like gives a little background info and stuff. Really fun book to read. I was really surprised that Audrey Hepburn isn't in here because she's like my idol, obviously, but whatever, it's still a great book. I just got these Chanel books. It's a set of 3. Okay, so there's this one. Chanel. I love fashion, so I really like collecting picture books, and we have this one. There's like all this Chanel jewelry. I need these. They're so cute. And then this is the last one. I think this is like my favorite page in the book. I don't know why I love this so much. So yeah, that's my little book collection I have going on here. So my kitchen is kind of like non-existent. It's not really much of a kitchen, but my landlord gave me this little oven, and it has these like 2 little burners at the top, so I can still kind of cook. And then I have my refrigerator. Let's see what's in here. I love Gatorade. I have an obsession. My Domino's, because I love pizza. Just like a bunch of other random stuff. And then my freezer. Oh my god, I didn't even realize I had these frozen pizzas. I didn't even need to buy Domino's last night, but whatever. The more pizza, the merrier. And then I have these ice cream sandwiches. They're so good. Hash browns, alcohol. And then I have a fruit bowl with a rotting banana in it. My hydro flask. Big nice sink. A list of foods that I'm allergic to. Recently I've developed a food allergy to shellfish and nuts, so that really sucks because now I can't eat a lot of my favorite foods. Then there's like a few others that I should be careful of, like, oh my gosh, it's not focusing. Like, he told me there was a slight reaction to apples, bananas, so I don't know why I have that banana right there. And I still have to go back next week and do more testing. So that really sucks. I'll probably make a video eventually like talking about this because this has been something that I've been struggling with a lot lately. And here is my bedroom. Here I have my speakers. This little thing, it's like an hour-long timer. I don't know, I just thought it was really cool, so I bought it. My flamingo. I have an obsession with flamingos. I have this really pretty flower vase, but no one to buy flowers for me. So if you love me, you should buy me flowers. I also have this little candle. Pink pineapple candle. Like, how great is that? You know I love pineapples and flamingos. And then I have this little jewelry stand with all my jewelry. I have a pineapple necklace too. My little crab ring. And then these earrings. Literally the cutest earrings ever. I got all of these at Kate Spade. They have the coolest jewelry. My bed is the most comfiest thing in the world. It's like so hard for me to get out of bed in the morning because it's just so comfortable. And I have a little stuffed animal that looks like my dog Cupcake. Rest in peace, I miss her so much. And then on my nightstand, I have this picture of Cupcake from when she was a puppy. Also, if you're wondering where this stuff is from, pretty sure I got my nightstand, my bed frame and mattress, and that console table all from Amazon. I also have this cute fake plant and then a little palm tree art on top of it. So this is my closet. One thing that sold me on moving here is that the closet is huge. I have so much stuff, so I need a big closet. I have like so many clothes. Like more clothes up in these things up here. My dirty clothes. I mean, I guess technically I can call it a walk-in closet because it's big enough that I can walk in it. And lastly, we have my bathroom. I have these cute pictures. They make me feel glamorous whenever I look at them. Here's some of my products. And yeah, I think that's everything. So that was my apartment. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and turn on my notifications because I'm going to be posting new videos every week.